Hello everyone, in this video, let's learn how to solve this challenging integral from the MIT Integration Bee 2025. The antiderivative of cosine s plus 2 pi over 3 plus cosine s minus 2 pi over 3 altogether squared ds. Alright, this antiderivative looks complex, but it's very simple. Alright, so we need to simplify this guy and this guy first by using the formula cosine of a plus cosine of b equals 2 cosine of a plus b divided by 2 cosine of a minus b divided by 2. Right? In this situation, a equals this one and b equals this one. Right? So I put this guy on the side first. Right? So it turns out to be 2 cosine of a plus b. This guy plus this guy, it could be 2s divided by 2, right? Cosine of a minus b. So this guy subtract this guy, it's going to be 4 pi over 3 divided by 2. Now we need to simplify this guy. It turns out to be 2 cosine of s times cosine of 2 pi over 3, right? Now cosine of 2 pi over 3 is going to be negative 1/2, right? So it's going to be 2 times cosine of s times negative 1/2, right? So it turns out to be negative cosine of s, right? Now I call this one I. So I becomes the antiderivative of cosine of s. I just rewrite this one, right? This guy right here is this guy, right? So minus cosine of s ds, right? So it turns out to be the antiderivative of 0 ds, right? So it's going to be c, where c is a constant. This one is the final answer. If you have another way to solve this problem, please leave a comment and it's your time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.